is for alligator, in the water calm and bright, fireflies glowing in the night.
B is for bear, standing still with honey sweet, in the forest on his feet.
C is for cat, chilling softly on the couch, purring with a little slouch.
D is for dog, in the yard he runs around, jumping up from off the ground.
E is for elephant, walking high on mountain ways, slow and strong through sunny days.
F is for fish, swimming near the coral reef,
color shining like a leaf. G is for goat, running through the flower hill, jumping high with happy will. H is for hippo, in the water splash and play, rolling in the mud all day.
I is for Anna, on the tree he walks so slow,
Leaves above and grass below.
J is for jellyfish, floating in the deep blue sea, glowing soft and drifting free.
K is for koala, singing songs in leafy trees, humming tunes with gentle breeze. L is for lion, roaring loud upon the peak, with a mighty jungle streak.
M is for monkey, swinging trees in forest fun,
Back and forth till day is done.
N is for narwhal, in the icy heart below, swimming where the cold winds blow. O is for octopus,
Down where coral gardens grow, she waves her arms so soft and slow.
P is for panda,
Eating bamboo with a smile, munching leaves in sleepy style.
Q is for quail,
On the farm with flowers near, hopping close with happy cheer.
R is for raccoon,
Camping by the firelight, peeking out into the night. S is for snake, sliding through the desert land, wiggly moves on golden sand. T is for turtle, walking by the ocean shore, step by step and nothing more.
U is for urchin,
Hiding in the coral bed, colorful and gently spread. V is for vampire bat, flying under moon so bright, silent wings throughout the night.
W
Is for whale, leaping from the ocean blue, splashing sky with water too. X is for X-ray fish, swimming clear with glowing skin, see the shining bones within. Y is for yak, walking in the snowy breeze, woolly fluff above his knees. Z is for zebra, running through the grassy field, black and white like stripes reveal. Now we know our A to Z, animal friends from